Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva Gutowski. So today I'm going to be telling you guys 5 things that you should be looking out for while looking for brand deals so that you guys don't get scammed. As a micro-influencer, I know it's sometimes hard to know what brands are actually real and legit and what brands are just trying to scam you, and I don't even know what they're trying to do, honestly, because I don't mess with those. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, and I'll give this video a big thumbs up for all the knowledge that you're about to soak in. So get your bullet journals out and your notebooks because you're going to need to take notes.
It's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now what's no more.
Okay, number 1. If a brand ever reaches out to you on Instagram trying to be like sliding into your DMs, first thing that I always do is I go to their tag photos and look through them and make sure that they have actual customers and they're like all of their tag photos aren't just from their own page or from pages that are just like promoting them in like a salesy kind of way, because that makes it seem very like unauthentic. Think of it as like when you're buying from a company and you want to check the reviews before you actually buy from that company. So you're gonna do the same thing with Instagram. You're gonna go through their tags, make sure they have actual customers. Okay, so one of my best friends, Lindsay, she has her own company. It's an earrings company, jewelry kind of company. It's called 13 by Lindsay. So if you guys want to go check it out, go check it out. This is a perfect example of a good brand that actually has customers, because if you go on their page, there's a bunch of good photos. She has 111 posts, so it's like a good starter kind of business amount of posts. If a business is contacting you and they only have like 10 posts, like that's a problem. Do not go with them. So as you can tell, Lindsay's brand is a perfect example of a real company that has real supporters, people actually buying their items. Now I'm gonna try to find a company that has like DM'd me that shows what not to go with. Okay, well that was fast. I already found one. To somebody that like isn't used to getting these kind of DMs, I feel like it would sound sweet and it would sound nice and like something that you would actually want to go through with, but we're a little bit of a veteran in this, so we know that this is going to be a scam already. Anyways, the DM reads, would you be interested in becoming a special ambassador? If yes, contact our main page, and then it says the main page. We have a great offer for you. Just send them a screenshot of the conversation, blah, 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 blah. So now we're going to click on the brand. The brand only has 3 posts. Even if this was like a salesy page where like they only scout out people for brand deals and stuff, I feel like they should have more than 3 posts just to kind of like show the person that they're reaching out to that it's an actual brand. Most likely not going to be legit, so just make sure to check for that. And they have no tagged photos, and I'm not surprised. So yeah, make sure you check the tagged photos. Number 2. If you do get contacted by a brand through email and they send you any like company links, website links to their website, honestly, you could click on them. But for me personally, I never click on links that brands send me. They could send you to a website that could give your computer a virus, and that's not what we want. Personally, I always go separately on Google and look up the brand myself and just look through the website that way. Obviously, if it's like a bigger brand, you might not have to do this, but better safe than sorry. Number 3, if a brand is contacting you through your comments, it's probably a red flag. If a bigger brand's gonna contact you, they're probably gonna DM you rather than just comment on your page. If you're getting comments like, hey babes, we would love to collab with you, all you have to do is contact our main page, DM them, send them your address and your social security number and everything in between. If a company is literally telling you that you have to seek out your way to go contact them, yeah, that's a red flag. So it's probably just a robot, so just don't even trust those. It's not worth your time, honestly. If you guys want to know how to get real brand deals and actually make a collaboration work, check out my last video, which is how to get a brand deal, and I talk about all the good tips that you guys need to know to work with good brands and actually get them to contact you back. If you end up working with a reputable and good brand, make sure you're getting what you're worth and what you actually want out of the brand deal, even if that means negotiating and working with the brand to see like what you can actually get out of them and what you can give to them back. So for brand deals, there are a couple different kinds, but the 2 main ones are gifted and paid collaborations. Gifted would obviously mean you're not getting paid for it, but they are going to send you the products and you're just going to make content with the products and see how you like it. There's not many like contracts and things you have to sign because it's not really like as big of a deal for a brand to send out the product versus like if they're getting paid, the like deadlines of stuff and posts and everything. So definitely when I first started out my YouTube channel, I was only doing gifted collaborations because I really was scared to work with paid brand deals because I was scared that I would have to say things that I didn't want to say about a brand or company if I didn't know that I was gonna like it. But now I'm finally getting more comfortable with like trusting myself and reaching out to brands that I've already tried or that I support with my own money already. Like I've already bought their products myself, so there's something that I actually like. Same thing with paid brand deals. If you're gonna get paid for your work, make sure you look through and you make sure you're getting the right amount for the work that you're doing. Take into consideration the amount of time it's gonna take you to make that content, because when you think about it, when brands pay for ads and commercials and stuff, it's something that pops up on on somebody's feed once. But when they work with actual influencers, it's like a fixed spot, an ad that's always going to be there on their YouTube channel, on their Instagram. And so it's definitely worth more than like one pop of an ad that's going to pop up on somebody's feed once in a whole like year. So don't downgrade yourself and make sure you're getting paid what you actually are worth. To help me figure out rates and what to charge for posts, one of the websites that I use is Social Blue Book. So if you guys want to go get like a Social Blue Book account, you can add all of your social medias, your YouTube, your Instagram. They even have TikTok now. They search up and look through all your analytics and your data to create rates for you on the low end, on the high end, and they show an in-between rate. So I think it's really good when you're starting out, especially if you're not so good with like numbers and stuff and wanting to do all this math on your own. All you have to do is log into your accounts and all the information's right there. And lastly, number 5. Contracts. I used to be so terrified of contracts because, you know, they're kind of scary. Like, if you sign a contract, you can like sign your life away pretty much, but most brands aren't gonna sign your life away, so don't be too scared. I used to do everything when I was first starting out to like avoid contracts. I would take so many brands just for free. It's good when you're starting out, but honestly, it's just not worth it long term because you are giving this brand so much more than they are giving you. Like, they might send you 2 pairs of sunglasses, but you're giving them like a lifetime ad on your channel. You know, you could get somebody to look through your contract for you, or even a parent or a close family member that's good with contracts. But if you don't have anybody like that, just make sure you thoroughly read through your contract and you look up anything that you don't understand in your contract. Just copy whatever big words or anything in your contract that you don't understand and Google what that means. Contracts usually have a kind of like formality to them. So if you go on Google and you look up just like the section title of it, it usually shows the gist of what that section is about and you'll be a little bit less confused. You can also always ask the brand if you don't understand something. Like, they will confirm or deny or help you understand it more because they want to get that contract signed and they want to get the brand deal rolling just as much as you do. So in conclusion, don't be scared. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked learning the do's and the don'ts of how to get a brand deal, what to look out for so that you guys do not get scammed. Comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you. Comment down below if you guys have any suggestions of videos you guys want to see because I've been doing my new series, How to Influence, and if you guys want anything specific to see, let me know in the comments. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below and also turn on my post notifications to be notified whenever I post. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!